Imagine stepping into a clutter-free space where peace and calm reign. What if I told you that you could experience this every night in 2024? Discover the minimalist way to end your day and transform your life. Join me on this journey to simplicity and serenity. Hey there, fellow minimalists, and welcome back to Modern Minimalism. Today, we're diving into the essence of minimalism and exploring how it can revolutionize the way you end your day. In our fast-paced world, clutter and excess have become all too familiar. The constant rush and overwhelming surroundings can lead to stress and anxiety, especially as we wind down for the night. But fear not, because minimalism offers a path to a more peaceful evening routine. By simplifying our surroundings and habits, we can unlock a host of benefits that contribute to better sleep and mental clarity. Firstly, let's talk about the practical benefits. When we declutter our spaces before bedtime, we create a calm environment that promotes relaxation. This directly translates to improved sleep quality, helping us wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Ready to declutter your life and embrace peace every night? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this minimalist journey to a peaceful nightlife habits before bed. 1. Decluttering. Before bed, spend just 10 minutes tidying up your living space. Put away items, clear countertops, and create a serene atmosphere that invites tranquility. Decluttering isn't just about physical space, it's about clearing mental clutter too. As you tidy up, let go of any thoughts or worries from the day. This act of decluttering sets the stage for a peaceful night's rest. 2. Digital detox. Disconnect from screens at least an hour before bedtime. This practice reduces mental stimulation, allowing your mind to unwind naturally. Our devices emit blue light that can disrupt our sleep cycles. By stepping away from screens, we signal to our brains that it's time to relax. Consider replacing screen time with calming activities like reading or gentle stretching. 3. Mindful reflection. Take a few moments to journal or simply reflect on the day. Acknowledge accomplishments, express gratitude, and release any lingering stressors. Mindful reflection helps us process our emotions and experiences. It's a chance to celebrate wins, learn from challenges, and cultivate a positive mindset before sleep. 4. Gentle stretching or yoga. Incorporate gentle stretches or a short yoga routine to release tension from your body and prepare for restorative sleep. Our bodies can carry stress from the day, especially if we've been sitting for long periods. Stretching helps release muscle tension and promotes relaxation. Focus on deep, slow breaths to further calm the mind. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on living a clutter-free life. 5. Herbal Tea Ritual. Brew a soothing cup of herbal tea, such as chamomile or lavender, known for their calming properties. Sip slowly and savor the moment of relaxation. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. The warmth of the tea can be comforting, and the act of sipping mindfully encourages a peaceful transition to bedtime. 6. Reading a book. Instead of scrolling through your phone, opt for a good book to wind down. Choose a genre that promotes relaxation, such as poetry, fiction, or self-help. Reading before bed can be a great way to unwind. It distracts from daily stressors and allows your mind to focus on a single, enjoyable activity. Just be sure to choose a book that won't keep you up too late. 7. Preparation for tomorrow. Spend a few minutes preparing for the next day. Lay out clothes, pack essentials, and create a to-do list. This proactive approach eases morning stress and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Preparing for tomorrow reduces decision-making in the morning, which can be stressful. It also gives you a sense of control and direction, promoting a smoother start to your day. Plus, ticking off tasks on your to-do list can be satisfying. Now, here's the key moment: the nightly habits of minimalists that make all the difference. From journaling gratitude to practicing gentle stretches, Each ritual is designed to promote relaxation and mindfulness. Whether it's sipping herbal tea or enjoying a digital detox, these practices help us disconnect from the noise of the day and reconnect with ourselves. In summary, minimalism isn't just about decluttering our spaces. It's about decluttering our minds and souls. By embracing minimalist practices before bed, we create a sanctuary that fosters peace and rejuvenation. I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite minimalist nighttime rituals in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a simplified, fulfilling life.